So you are welcome. This is the Richvision Academy trading platform and copy trade. Now, what is this all about? What are your expectations? It is very profound to know that becoming successful in life is not just like giving. Success is a series of planned events. Success is a series of what? Planned events. You plan to be successful. Nobody just becomes suddenly successful. So if you plan to be successful, what are the leader plans? You look at the next 5 years, what am I going to achieve and how am I going to achieve it? If your target is in the next 5 years, at least I should be worth over $100,000, I should be worth over $1 million, depending on you. The question is not about you praying about it. When you pray, God has answered your prayer. The next thing is, what are the lines of action? So what we have done here is to bring out some lines of actions that you can use as part of your goals. This is not the program that is going to help you to define your goals. You have your goals, but this can be a vehicle that will help you in the attainment of that goal of yours. And I tell you, it will make a kind of significant impact in your pursuit for success. Richvision Academy focuses on learning and earning. Learning and earning. When you say learning, you learn a skill. Learn a skill. It's not gainsay today that the thing that you learned yesterday is not enough to sustain you into the future. You need another level of learning. And I tell you, no matter which part of Africa you are now, or internationally anywhere, you will agree with me that earning in currencies other than your local currency, it's a good idea. If you look at it now, I tell people most of the time, millionaires are measured in dollars. Millionaires, and maybe tomorrow it could change, but for now, you consider in dollars. So when somebody tells you that I have 100 million naira, or I have 100 million Ghana cedis, or I have 1 million, the first thing people want to do is to convert that money to dollars. And somebody that has 100 million naira, sorry, you are not a millionaire. 300 million naira is not a millionaire. I remember just some 2-3 years ago, we were saying 300 and something million is a millionaire. But now, for those people in Africa, in Nigeria, you're going to be having close to 800 million naira for you to call yourself a millionaire in dollars. So how do you begin to do this and secure a financial future? You might not even be talking of dollars. Let's even bring it down. How do you get to the point? We've seen that a lot of people in Africa live below, they earn below $1,000 monthly, $1,000 US. You hear professors are earning about 500,000 naira. You imagine how they're coping. $1,000 is about 800,000 naira. How many persons are earning that? But then some are doing that even from the comfort of their home. And how? By learning a certain skill set. It's not all skill sets that will pay you in naira, in dollars, but there are some certain skill sets that when you know it, you are made. One of such skill sets is trading the international money market. We have the international financial market, the stock market, and so on. But the one that we're going to be focusing on is the money market. And capital, big deal amongst those is what we call the Forex market, the FX market. When you say FX, that's foreign exchange market. Foreign exchange market is that place where you buy one currency and sell another one. You know, I can buy $1 for somebody, let's say I'm in Nigeria, I can buy dollar for maybe $7.50 and then sell it for $7.80 or something like that, depending on what your country exchange rate is. So the exchange of one currency for another is what you call foreign exchange. The exchange of one currency for another is what you mean by Forex. And it's been for a very long time. There's no matter what you want to do, you cannot spend dollar in Nigeria. You cannot spend naira in the US, although some individuals can accept it from you, but it's not a legal tender in that place. So you need to exchange for that currency. Now, being an expert in this has made a lot of persons rich. If you want to take a very good example, you want to look at the banks. The banks. I want you to take something. How many businesses are banks in Africa, in Nigeria doing that is making them to declare billions of profits? How many business? Major. One major department in the bank is what we call the treasury department. Those of you that are bankers, you will relate with this. The treasury department. In the treasury department, one of the major things they do with bonds and every other thing was that, but one of the major things is what? FX, exchange of foreign currency. And this is where the big money comes in. That is where they are able to make millions and billions of dollars. And they have not collapsed. They have not collapsed. So when you hear people tell you, oh, trading foreign exchange is risky, is this, is that, yes, there's no business that is not risky. Being a mechanic is risky. Going under the car and an engine dropping, it's risky. Sitting down in a house, anything can happen. But then you want to calculate the risk before, as a mechanic, before I go under the car, I want to make sure that I've jacked the car properly. I want to make sure this. If I've not seen somebody doing it, I may not do it well. And it could be very, very, very risky. But when I have seen somebody do it, and the person teaches me how to do it, that's why we say people that have mentors will not lack methods. People that have what? Mentors will not lack methods. So, and who is the mentor? Somebody who is doing that which you want to achieve. So, when we see that this is a place to go, for me, past 8 years has been very, very eventful. Learning the skill, trying to perfect it. Have I made money? Oh my, made a lot of money. Made a lot of money. Have I lost money? Oh my God, lost so much. But then I always tell people that the money that I lose in this business, I use it as a learning course. That what did I do wrong? So when people tell me about their wins and their losses, somebody said I put in $1,000. I tell you, if someone like me is not a person that you should see in this industry anymore. Why? Way back in 2008, I remember trading because they told me that this thing makes money, and not that they told me, I was doing it and making hell a lot of money. Left the corporate world, sat down and doing this thing fantastically well. Until one day, just within the space of 2 hours, February 2008, those of you that are trading, you understand that period, lost over 50,000 US dollars in 2 hours. 50,000, not Zimbabwe dollars, or United States dollars within 2 hours. It was as if the whole world came to an end. And everything changed because everything that I had was in that market. Ladies and gentlemen, it was enough for me to pack it up. The story is for another day. But then, about some couple of years ago, I met, as an accountant, I felt, what is it, Forex? You'll be able to do your simulations and everything, but it's a different ball game. You can analyze the market given the financial figures, but then there are things that you need to know on how to trade this market. Until I got a mentor who began to teach me what to do. I was enrolled in an academy. In that academy, I learned the art of trading Forex. In that academy, at least, I think I registered with that academy for about $1,000 or thereabout. And every month I was paying like $150 to $200 every month to learn this in this academy. About 120. I can't really put figures on it now. It's $150 or $200 on monthly basis to learn this art of trading Forex. It cost so much then, but it paid off. And today, it's as if there's no any other thing that I want to do than to do this. But let me ask, how many of us should be able to afford that kind of money in today's economy? Paying $200 for the next 6 months, learning, and things. So most of us, when we were learning, because we needed to make money, we had to fund. They tell us that you need to trade your demo account. There's what they call a demo account, that you need to trade a demo account for 6 months before you go into life. See, excuse me. Don't allow anybody deceive you. I've seen it. I've heard it. Somebody will tell you, don't worry, just 3 days. Just give me 3 days. I will teach you how to trade Forex. Forex, or is it Forex or Forest? In 3 days? In 1 week? In 1 month? Even in 6 months? In 6 months, you've not finished learning Forex. Because it's one thing to know the technical analysis. What of the fundamentals? What of the psychology of trading, which is very key, critical to success? This is where a lot of people lose money. When you come to the psychology of trading and money management, that is a place that kills a lot of traders. It's not about stochastic is stochastic everywhere. Indicators are the same thing, interpreted the same way everywhere. It's the same thing. Do you understand? The MACD, you don't need expensive tools. MACD, divergence and convergence and all these things, price actions, these things are the same thing and interpreted the same way everywhere. But what makes the difference between you and the other trader? Psychology of trading. You don't learn that in 6 months. Some of us, it took us some time to learn this. So now what we have done in the academy, we've been able to put out, knowing that our learning pace is different. The way you learn is different from the way I learn. So what we've done is we created an academy that you can always go to learn. If you dedicate yourself within the next 6 months to this academy, I can assure you, you will be an expert in trading Forex and you'll be a profitable trader. It's not every trader that is profitable. You see, some people tell me, I'm a trader. I've been trading for the past 5 years, this and that. Have you withdrawn money? How many times do you withdraw money from your trading account? Tell me. How often do you withdraw? Do you put more money than you withdraw from the market and you call yourself a professional trader? Cool down and learn from people that withdraw regularly. That's how you know how successful you are. So here, the academy has a course that you can take for about 6 months. 6 months course that you will learn the skill. But whilst you are learning, and the thing is this, is you that will be committed to it yourself. Is you that will make your own choice. Is your choice to be committed to the learning. Some people are here, you know, it's funny, it's very funny when I tell people dedicate time to learning Forex. They say, Mr. Shala, I'm very busy. You know, I'm very, you know, all this learning, I'm very busy. How busy are you? With all the business, you are not doing $1,000 in a month. With all your business, you are not netting $1 million in a month. And you are very busy. Busy doing what? If anybody deceive, don't deceive yourself. You need to sit down and tell yourself, come, I need this skill set. And you carve out. You think you don't have time. How many hours have you used on WhatsApp videos today alone? Do you know it's enough to turn your situation around if you pay attention to this academy? Today alone, I'm not talking of yesterday. How many hours you spent on WhatsApp video? Chatting. You can create and convert that timing to a more productive thing. So, here, just dedicating about 2 hours in a day 2 hours in a day, you can take up this academy. And in this academy, we teach you, there are seasoned trainers. And one of the important courses there is the money management and psychology of trading. You get about price actions, everything. So people talk about, I want to know the best trading strategy. There's no best trading strategy anywhere. Go on YouTube. You will see there's no only gray as far as this business is concerned. Excuse me. But I can tell everybody, the best strategy is to understand the psychology of trading and money management. That is well handled in the courses of the Richvision Academy. That is on one side. Now, if you want to learn, I tell you, 6 months, within 6 months, dedicated study, you will be an expert. Now, you might say you don't have the time. How about your children? Can you give them a legacy? Are you your children, you want them to go and learn how to sew clothes, how to do makeup, or how in this generation? Is that what you want to teach these children? Is it the Gen Z or the Gen Z? Or do you think they are ready for all this makeup and all these things? Their mates are making money online. You are teaching them, that's what you say, he doesn't want. No, show that child how to make money. You see that he has interest. That young man that has graduated is looking, you are looking, you look for job. You put this boy or this girl in the same position. You're helping him to submit application letter up and down. Why don't you take some time? Invest in this. If I knew this earlier, maybe I won't be running around doing a lot of things. I see a lot of guys on the net now, 15, 17 years old, 18 years old, multi-millionaires trading the Forex market. At a very young age, they are not, you now, as you are trading, you are remembering school fees. And this, as you are trading, you are thinking of different things. And that thing they say you should not do is what we eventually do. Don't overtrade because you are thinking, school fees, this is September. If I can make 500,000 naira before September, I should be able to pay Taiwo school fees. With that sense, that's what drives your trading. And before you know it, boom, the psychology affects you. But you see a young man, 17, 18, 19, 20, and so on, they don't have bills to pay yet. So when you tell them, do it this way, they want to follow it. They are creative in their thinking. So that's why, if you think it's too much for you, think of the people that are around you. Think of your children. How do you educate them? How do you help them? Ladies and gentlemen, it will be wickedness, sheer wickedness. It's not carelessness, it's wickedness. If you are not preparing your children, young ones around you, to help them to learn this skill set. Ladies and gentlemen, this skill set, our academy is so packed that, oh my God, I don't know what someone else will teach you as far as Forex is concerned when it comes to mastery of this business. And I'm serious. When you go through our academy, you say it doesn't make sense to you, I'm going to pay you. Come on. Because we've trained people with this. This is what we use. We are not training from people. The academy was not based on the thing we read from one book. It came from people trading and losing millions of naira. That's where the academy came from people who traded and made serious losses. But now I've now transited to what? Being profitable traders. Those are the people that are training you there. So invest in yourself. Invest in your family. It's not just you, it's your family. So that is the academy. Then the second part is this. In the second part, we talk about what we call copy trade. Somebody say, now that one we are on here with this. Now, what is the copy trade all about? The copy trade is targeted at helping you to avoid the mistake, the error that befell most of us at our beginning. We learned Forex trading, and because there was no way to meet up with the payment of our monthly subscription, we were paying $150 every month, guy. And where am I going to be getting $150 every month than to try to trade and make money also to pay? So we were trading, and in the process, as we learn the thing, we put money, we blow the money, blow account. After some time, I say, I don't sabi. I know it. I knew what I did that was wrong. I knew. You will put money again. Before you know it, you fire the money. I don't know. Let me know here in the group, in this chat. Let me know, is there anybody that was in that trading platform where you said, I knew my mistake, but I'm going to do it. Then you fund again and the money. If you are here, just say I. Just type I in the chat box. Maybe you were part of those early beginners in Forex. You traded, you lost money, and you put another one, or you gave somebody money. Somebody told you, how, guys, I do this thing, and you give them money, boom, your money disappeared. You just type I in the chat box. Do we have traders in the house? Just type I. Now, this was, okay, all right, I can see some hands. Now, this was the story of many of us. Now, what we have done with the copy trading, thank you very much. What we have done with the copy trading is this. As you are going through the academy, we gave the opportunity that we have some traders. We have traders on our platform, and we developed over the years, we have developed what to call an AI, artificial intelligence, that helps us to trade. I get it. We have because we combine manual and system trading together. So what we have done is that whilst you are going through the academy, your account will be connected to the expert trader. It sounds interesting, right? Now, you remember, you need about 6 months to learn this skill. But within that 6 months, we want you to be earning also. So within that period, your account is connected to an expert trader, such that as the expert trader is trading, your account is automatically traded. Now, it goes to say that if or when the expert trader makes a profit, you also make profit. When the expert trader makes a loss, you also make a loss. People don't like to hear it, but life is up, and business trading is, it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. So, but let me quickly show you how and the benefits of these of the platform quickly. Now, on this platform, very easy to use, that you as an individual, just a minute. Okay. So, I just explained to you trading, the international market. I've done that. So on this trading platform, one of the things that we note here is 100% control. You're going to have 100% control of your fund. In our own academy and in our business, we don't encourage you giving money to anyone. Let your money be with you. And how is it with you? You put it in what you call your trading account. It's just like you have money. You say you want to keep money. You want to invest your money in the bank. You are not going to put it in your bedroom now. You will put the money in the bank, all right? And then the bank you feel is secure there. The same thing in trading. You need to put your money with a broker. The brokers are the people that have the platform. They are regulated people. They have the license to collect money. They don't have the right to do anything with your money. The brokers don't have the right to do anything with your money. In that, if you put 100,000 naira in with your broker, if you don't do anything with it, come next year, your 100,000 naira will be there. Until you begin to trade it, or you give somebody power, authority to trade. So you have 100% of your money. You easy in is convenience. It's easy in, easy out. You can decide to deposit the money this morning, And then in the evening, oh, I've not bought Pampers for my children, for my daughter. You just go and withdraw your money. So it's easy in, easy out. Any business platform, investment platform that denies you ability to withdraw when you want to withdraw, be careful. They say your money is going to be locked for 90 days, for 100 days. Oh, it's good though, if it is a fixed deposit. But otherwise, I'm not saying they are all bad, but be careful. Note something. The moment your money leaves your hand, it is out of your control. Your money, the moment you hand it over to somebody, it is out of your control. Anything can happen. But here, you have absolute control. Then on our platform, it's security of your money. You know, at times you give people your money, somebody tells you, give me this money, I will trade it for you, I will make so percentage for you. And then 1 day, 2 days, 1 month, it gives you the return. The first month, the second month, it tells you that something has happened, that the money is gone. In our system, is security. We have 50% protection of your investment. Even though we have maximum, we don't plan losing your money. But in case, if anything happens, there's a 50% protection of that money automatically by the platform provider. Then we just have no any other cost to you except for the annual subscription of $100. So when you put in $100, what are you accessing? Let me quickly show you some of the things you are going to be accessing here. This part of what you're going to be accessing, and it's a fantastic offer which we are doing already. We have on our platform, this is what we do on one of our other platforms, the Traders Element. Now, on this platform, for those people that want to learn, sorry, I thought I had it open, but then. Now, on this platform, for people that want to learn Forex, you come to this platform to subscribe. Do you understand? This is what we have. If you still want it, it's still good, it's still open. Now, but the difference between this and the new platform we have now, our new platform is this. Pay attention now. On this platform, for you to learn, we have different categories. We have the gold, which is 2 months training, which costs you $300. This is already running, so it's not a proposal. It's what we are doing. And look at the things that you're going to learn here. And then we have the platinum, which is 3 months, which is, you know, more program. You have the Rombos, you have mentorship and every other thing. And then we have the diamond, which is the 6 month, which is a $1,500 program for 6 months, guys. 6 months training of top trainings. You're going to be learning Forex education. You're going to be learning the institutional order flow, ICT, and all those things. How the way you can trade, set up your trade, that you can set your stop profit, stop loss, even at 10 pips, guys. So this is that platform. But what we have done now, we said, instead of this, what we're doing now on this platform, instead of paying $1,500, you just need just $100 annually for this. $100. Can you imagine? It's something of $1,500. You're accessing at $100. Is that not fantastic, guys? Now, but just hold on. For those of you that are on the call tonight, just hold on. I'm going to be telling you one promo that we are having presently that will even take care of some things for you. Just hang with me. I'm going to be faster now. Now, so what you do, you open your own trading account with any of our partner brokers, and you fund. The funding that you should do with your account is a minimum of $200. To start this trading, copy trade, is $200 that you use to fund your account. That means, number one, you will pay $100, you will register on the platform with $100, and then fund your account with $200, making how much? $300. Do Do you understand? So the 200 is your money. The 100 is the cost, all right? Or is it subscription? Do I call that a cost anyway? Then you register on our platform and connect your trading account to our strategic trading account. We trade our strategic trading account, and your own trading account replicates. It mirrors what we are doing. Even though we are trading 10,000, whether you put in 300, 500, it will mirror it. If we make 2% profit, your account will make 2% profit. The profit and loss in our account is also reflected in your account. So, ladies and gentlemen, with this, you can be making money whilst you are learning. You are making money whilst you are learning. And I know that is a good idea. Now, every business has its risk and benefits. The risk and the benefits. But when you sit down, when you are considering the risk, you look at what kind of risks am I going into? You now look at it and say, okay, sir, what is the benefit? Are you guys just going to help us to make money just like that? What is the thing for you? What is your own benefit in all of this? Now, look at this. The summary of copy trading expectations. Let's say we do, let's say you funded your account with $1,000. Please pay attention here. You funded your account with $1,000. And in a month, we traded and there was 40% increase on your account. What's 40% of 1,000? 40% of 1,000 is what? $400. Somebody is saying, can they do 40%? Wait till I show you what we did last week anyway. Just hold on. Okay, so we have profit sharing. There's a profit sharing of 70 to 30. 70% goes to you, the owner of the funds. And of course, remember, you didn't even give me your funds in the first place. You didn't give Richvision your funds. Your funds are with you. So Richvision is not having your funds. So your funds are with you. So you are going to get 70%, while you are going to return 30% of that profit to us. So 70%, that is $280. While the 30% comes to us, to Richvision, which is $120. $120. And where you have this is like this, all right? So I think that is clear. So now, in our bid, because that's why I was talking to people that say, I'm too old to learn a new thing. Well, for those of you that are saying maybe you are too old to learn, I told you that our target is towards the youth. So we have a target to empower 100,000 youths within the next 12 calendar months, 100,000. And how are we going to do it? What is our plan to achieve this? The major plan to achieve this is, what we plan to do is this. Because if, when people tell you that they are making money in Forex and they are charging you money, I tell them, are you sure you are making money? If truly this thing is profitable for you, why must I charge and things, but everybody has his own business model. But for us in Richvision, we said, let us make the money for you first. Then let us get paid from the money we made for you. Are you connecting with me? We said, let us make money for you first. Then we will get paid from the money we made for you. Now, if it means that if we don't make this money for you, all the work is Ike Banza, that means we didn't make any money. You won't make money, we won't make money. And of course, we should not lose money. So how do we create this employment for 100,000 youths? How do we empower 100,000 youths? What we are going to do is this. You see this portion, this Richvision's portion, this $120 here, which is supposed to be for Richvision. We go ahead to distribute it amongst our members again. Is this not fantastic, guys? That's why I'm telling you that you are opportune to be on this platform where you can make a hell lot of money. So we're going to use that portion that is supposed to be our own to empower people. Why? They just think big. Kiyosaki said the richest people in the world look for and build networks, while other people look for what? So what we have done is we introduce a kind of affiliate program into this, such that when you register, all these ones, I'm going to be doing it in later classes, but for now, let me just give you a skeleton of this so that we can just wrap it up today. Now, this is you here. Now you invite some other persons and they join you on this. Do you know that when this person joins you, he pays his $100, the company is going to pay you $30 because this man is coming to invest his money and you got him. This person comes in with $100 registration. The company is going to pay you $30 again. This Tunde comes, he pays you $30. Chineye comes, he pays you $30. Muftar comes, he pays you $30. Now, do you know something? The place that is mind-blowing, look at this. Now, this is Tunde. Tunde, when Tunde registered, you are paid $30. Now, Tunde now shows his friends, and his friends too, because he's making money, his friends decide to join. Do you know what? Tunde here, if his friend joins, they're going to pay Tunde $30, and you that does not know Tunde's friends, you get paid $20. $20. Can you imagine what can happen here? But this is for another presentation. I'm not here now. What I just want to show you, for those people that are just investing, for those people that want to build a business, I will do another presentation for you. But for those of you that want to really build, that you want to build your income, that's the ones. Now look at this, the growth in your system. But let's just skip this. This is telling you the benefit that you can enjoy in Naira and things, promotion, what we have. I'm just trying to wrap this up quickly. For those people that have been building their businesses, how we are going to be empowering them. We give them brand new laptops as their business is growing. They are making money with their investment. And then you have a series of trips to Dubai, to Seychelles as you grow. And then in conjunction with our partner brokers, with the broker, we are going to be, for those people that perform very well, they have a lot of people that we call the introducing broker. When you are an introducing broker and you've brought in quite a number of people, I'm going to show you the criteria for you to earn to get awarded a brand new car. Now, let's see this, guys. This is where I just want to go a little bit more practical here, so that those of you that want to join, you can get started immediately. I told you that if you wait with me till the end, I'm going to do something for you. Now, please pay attention. Pay attention. We just started active trading last week. Pay attention now. And we gave a window that anyone that opens their account with us, they open their account with the broker, they fund their account and get connected with us. That we are going to be, they are not, just a minute, let me do something here. All right. Okay. I said, we promised you, please pay attention, that for people that we fund their accounts now, from last week, we promised till the end of this month, we are committed to helping you to raise the $100 that you will use to pay for your yearly annual subscription. You didn't get it. Let me explain again. We said, I told you you have to register with $100 and then you fund your account with $200. But now, between now and the end of the month, as we promised, that if you fund your account and we start to trade on it, we want to trade and help you to make profits that you will use to fund to do your annual subscription. So what I'm saying now is this: people that are joining the platform now are not registering yet for the academy. People that are joining the platform now, they are not registering yet for the academy, because we are committed to helping them do some things. Now, let me show you something here, so that for those of you that don't understand what I'm saying, you will get what I'm saying here. I prefer to use figures, all right? Now, look at this. Let's say you now, You decide to take advantage of the process, and you decide that, okay, I want to fund my account now. I want to fund my account now. Now, look at this. Let me show you what will happen in your account. Let me show you what will happen in your account. This is, let's say you started your account with $500. You started your account with $500, all right? And presently, by the grace of God, we've been able to do an average of 2% daily. See, I'm not promising you that we do 2% daily. We do an average. So it might be 1.5%. It can be 5% in a day. But at least what we've seen over the period is what? 2%. Now, with this, let's say for the next, let's say for the next 180 days, guys, for the next 180 days. And here we said initially the benefit, please, part of the benefit you are going to be enjoying for being part of the first off-takers. You remember I said there's going to be profit sharing of 70-30. 70-30. From now till the end of the month, if you join us now, there will be no profit sharing whatsoever on your account. That's the second bonus. Number one bonus, you are funding your account without any registration fee yet. It doesn't mean you won't register. After the promo is over, everybody will now have to register. Number two, there will be no profit sharing on your account. So what it means is this. They said, is it included? Is weekend included? No. So let's start. If you decide to fund your account now, let's see what your money could look like in 180 days. 180 days is like 1st of March, all right? 1st of March, 2024. 500,000 can become 17,000. All things being equal, the growth is steady. But let's look at this. Between now and the ending of this month, please pay attention here now. Guys, pay attention here. Between now and the ending of the month, when is the ending of the month? All right? Ending of the month is 30th. This place here. This is the ending of the month. This is the ending of the month, all right? Now, we said between now, wow, it's just 5 days now. 5 more days to the ending of the month. If you funded your account with $500, we are saying that your account will have grown to about $552. It means that the remaining $52, this 52, you will just need to add small money, small purchasing money. You will add it to make your $100 to do your registration. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is where it gets interesting. If you want to do it and do it fast, pay attention now. As at yesterday, as at the beginning of the week, when we started connecting our accounts, we discovered that some accounts were not connected. So when we made some profit, some accounts were not getting the profit. Let me show you something here. That our principal partner is the Raise FX, a very powerful platform. You know, we did a lot of checks on them, and the platform is fantastic. Now, guys, I want to show you something here so that you will appreciate what we're talking here, guys. I want you to pay attention, though. Let's look at this. So we did something here. You can see the progressive chart here as it's growing, but this is not where I'm going to. I want you to see this. Now, these are some of the accounts that are connected right now. Oh, this account started with $200. This one's, most of them started with $200. And you can see this one that started with $1,000 is about $23 on it, and so on like that. You understand? So, but as at the beginning of the month, we thought every account was, of the week, we thought every account was connected. This is the strategy owner's account. This is strategy account. Guys, look at this. This strategy account has made a profit of $89. It started last week, Tuesday. It has made $89. Let's say about $90, all right? That's what the strategy account has earned. If you do a simple calculation, what is 90? Is it $90 now? Do I use 90? Let's just call it $90. If you do $90 divided by 1,000 times 100, that means this account did about 9% this week. 9% this week. And we did not trade on 1 or 2 days like that. Monday's trade was half day and things like that. So it did about 9%. You can imagine. So what we expect is that all these accounts, if they had been funded and were connected the day that this account was created, that means all these accounts should have grown by 9%. Now, let's just take this strategy account. Let's go back to that table here. Let's go back to the table here. And let me put in 1,000. You know, the more money you get, the more you go enjoy Ojibo. You understand, eh? Let's go. So here, look at, with $1,000, 1, 2, 3, look at, presently, about 4 days. Is it not about 4 trading days that we had? Look at, the profit here is about 82, just almost very close to what we had in that strategy account. Hope you are seeing this. I'm showing you figures so that it's not then talk say, is talk say. You are seeing, like, that's why I could have printed this thing out, but you see me going online in your presence so that you see what is actually happening. Your money is not abroad. It's not in any man's hand. It's not in any, you open the broker's account here. Everything is within you. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we now, for the sake of the man that invited you, the people that joined earlier, and because we promised them that their account will be traded for about 2 weeks for free so that it can generate their money. Since their account was not properly connected, we decided, or let me say some of us decided, we didn't even get, because when I was discussing with other members yesterday that this is what I told the group, they said, Mr. Shola, why did you promise so long period? Are we going to be looking? I said, don't worry, let them join. Now, do you know what? We unanimously agreed in the group. Pay attention, ladies and gentlemen. Pay attention. This is the bomber here. We've agreed that everyone that joins now, if you join now till the 14th, look at it here, till the 14th. Can you imagine? Till the 14th. This is so big, guys. Till the 14th, there will be no profit sharing. It will be 100% profit your own. 100% profit your own from now till the 14th. After the 14th, everybody will now have to now register. This is the bonanza period. Listen to it now. This is the promo period between now and the 14th. If I were you, look at this person. Your money will be probably around 1,300 here. Would you take $100 here and go and do your registration? We are saying you want to register. We are even helping you to generate the money. Richvision is a fantastic organization, guys. So generous in its activity. Let's look at, even if it's if you started with $500, if you started with $500, let's say you started with $500, guys, look at, by 14th, your money is about $672. You can pull out $100 here and do your registration. Is this not generous? Now, let's say you decide to start with a minimum of $200, guys. If you started with a minimum of $200, look at, by the 14th, your money is $269. So with this, you just need to add a little money and then you are fine. Look at what your money can become in 180 days. In 180 days, look at it. About this figure. Oh, no, it's not correct because after that 14th, it's going to be 70. Do you understand? That's what, please watch this, guys. I want you to get this. This is a compound table calculator. So let's say we start to do our profit sharing then you calculate what your returns will be. So if I funded my account with $1,000, all things being equal, that's why we need your prayers also. We are doing our work. We pray in everything. It's God that gives us the power. We rely not on our own understanding, but we acknowledge God in every ways. So here, when you start with $1,000, in 12 months, your money will have been what? 12,000. Even though we have removed our own 30%. We've removed our own 30%. So your money still grows to 12,000. Guys, tell me where you get this kind of return on investment. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the big package that we have for you to start now. So if somebody says, okay, how do I get started? How do I get started? Now you have to be in that group. You have to be in our group. Now, somebody rightly invited you for this training tonight. Somebody invited you. The person is going to send you a link. He will send you a link for you to do your registration. Do your registration, and you can also do your funding immediately. I wish you can do the funding this weekend so that you can be a part of the trading from Monday. Our trading starts as early as 5 a.m. Monday morning. 5 a.m. Monday morning. And by 7 Friday, we are closed. So as early as 5 a.m. So if you can fund your account now, begin to grow your account. I showed you the live account of people that connected on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday. You saw it live. Do you understand? We were doing an average of about 2% daily. Why don't you start yours? So what you do now, call that person right away now, right now. Tell the person to send you the link for you to do the registration. Now, if you are in the group, or let me say, maybe I sent you a link, you saw the message from me, then what you can do is you can send me a private message. Look at the group, who sent you that message that you used to join this Zoom. Send a message, let them send you a link for you to open your account. If you have any question, it is important that you are in our group. There's a group that we have which takes care of, questions, issues, and things like that. So you can be part of that group. There we will assist you. We have representative of our brokers. The brokers, we have the country manager is there on the platform that will help you. If you want to do your funding tonight, do it. It's better you start processing it tonight so that before tomorrow, Monday, you are home and dry. Minimum funding is $200. I don't know how much you are doing current dollar in your own country or your own state, but I know dollar is 760 something now, so I don't know. But you don't need to look for dollars. On the account, you will send Naira. There's a process. Make sure you are in our group. If you are not yet in that group, ask for the group link so that you are inside the group. So I think somebody will say, I'm in which group? Let me show you the group so that if you are not in that particular group, you can find your way, request for the group link. Where is the group now? Just a minute. Let me see. Okay. The group is called Learn and Earn Webinar. That's the name of the group. Learn and Earn Webinar. So if you are not in the Learn and Earn Webinar group, please request for the group link. Do you understand? If you are not in the Learn and Earn Webinar group, please request for the group link. The Learn and Earn. I know there are a lot of you on Richvision, one this and things, but this group is the Learn and Earn Webinar group. So if you are not on it, tell the person that invited you to help you send the link so that you can join the group, and then you will get all the necessary. But please, heaven help those who help themselves. You want to be successful, you want to start. You can't afford to go into the second half of the year, chala cholo, not having defining things for yourself. Let's do it together, guys. Have we failed before? Yes. What is success? Success is moving from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. As you continue, you will get to the point where you know, yes, this is what you're doing and you're doing it right. And here I can tell you, now we are doing it right. You can be part of this. Get back to the person that invited you and tell the person you need to start up now. Maybe you have one or two questions. I'll be entertaining it. I hope to see you in the group. Let us grow the world together. God bless you. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.